The Dragon itself is moving to a point, as you can see in this downlink view from external cameras on the International Space Station, to a point some 350 meters directly below the International Space Station, along what is called the radial vector, or the R-bar. That's the imaginary line drawn between the space station and the center of the Earth. Dragon now has completed its yaw maneuver. We're expecting it to depart the 350-meter hold point. The next station keeping point would come at 250 meters. It's about an 8-minute transit from 350 meters out to 250 meters out. And again, we'll keep you posted as the SpaceX mission ballistics team in Hawthorne, California continues to compute how much time would be required at the various stopping points, the station keeping points, to see if we can make up time to approach the original grapple time that was 6 a.m. Central, 7 a.m. Eastern. Flying 250 miles over the South Atlantic, we just had a great view of the Dragon cargo craft before losing temporarily our downlink television capability from the International Space Station. Dragon is approaching the 30-meter arrival point. Should get there about 20 minutes from now, at which time it'll put the brakes on one final time and permit the flight control teams here in Houston and at SpaceX's control center in Hawthorne, California, to take a final look-see at all of Dragon's systems before the final go is given to approach inside 30 meters and capture. Dragon continues a flawless approach to its final station keeping point of 30 meters. Should arrive there in about 8 minutes from now. The distance between Dragon and the International Space Station currently calculated at about 63 meters as the station and the SpaceX cargo craft approach the southwest coast of Africa. Dragon and the International Space Station now just 52 meters apart, approaching the coast of Namibia, moving from southwest to northeast in an orbit inclined 51.6 degrees to either side of the equator. All of Dragon's systems continue to operate perfectly, approaching the 30-meter station keeping point some 5 minutes from now. Dragon now 41 meters away from the International Space Station.
Space Ground 2 at 40 meters. I will call the vehicle on camera 3-1 with port.
Dragon will be parked at the Earth-facing port of the Harmony module in a parking space right next to the orbital ATK Cygnus cargo craft that arrived at the station back on March 26th, 2 weeks ago. The Dragon cargo craft launched on Friday afternoon from the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida aboard the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Entered its preliminary orbit about 10 minutes after launch, deployed its solar arrays, and began the trek toward the International Space Station.
Anybody.
SpaceX is go for capture. The flight control team here is go for capture. Capture confirmed. at 6:23 a.m. Central Time over the Pacific Ocean west of Hawaii. A cornucopia of cargo craft now at the International Space Station. Capture again confirmed at 6:23 a.m. Central Time.